Hey there, Alice here from starting a Shopify store from scratch. In the last video we looked at creating a page. We created a contact us page. So now what you want to do is we want to go and add the contact page to our main navigation. Because if you looked at our store earlier on, you saw that there wasn't a contact us page link at the bottom of the website. So let's quickly go and add the contact us page link to the main menu. Let's go do that quick. Let's go to navigation, and you'll see here there's two menus created for us, the footer menu and the main menu. We want to add the contact us page to the main menu. If you have a look there, you'll see that it's only got two links. It's got the home and the catalog pages added there. Now you're going to add the contact us page. So let's click on main menu. At the bottom it says add menu item. And we are looking for the contact us page. What we're looking for is pages. And there it is there. So there's a contact us page. It's added in. There we go. That's how easy it is to add a page into your main menu. Go and click save. And we are done. That's it for adding a page to the contacts or to the navigation. Next thing we're going to look at is domains. Hope that made sense. If you have any questions, please ask. Thanks. See you in the next video.